My name is Dr. Sofia Bosa. I'm researching most of all about agricultural policy and more specifically about trade policy. I'm here at the University of Purdue because I'm directing a project related with the research of the effects of sanitary, phytosanitary and technical measures on agricultural trade. So I have joined for these 3 weeks the GTAP, Global Trade Analysis Project, in order to have some feedback related with my research. What I have found here in the University of Purdue, and I like it very much, it's that you have very valuable groups of work. I mean, you try to integrate postdoc, doctoral students and master's degree students and to do research very interacting. People, it's working together and they are trying to do something valuable, everyone together. So I think we must learn a little bit about this in my country. I think we are trying to do the same, but we have to integrate more our students and also our graduate students in this issue, this kind of research. Not being just a professor researching alone, but having the support of our students, because with that we can do more valuable research. And also it has been very nice that you have some of the most important researchers in my field, which is agricultural economics here in Purdue. In fact, in my department we are just 8 professors, and here you have more than 60 professors in the agricultural department. So that means that you can specialize in some fields, in some issues, and that's something very useful for your research. Okay, I think that my favorite memory here at Purdue, it has been the feedback that I had for my research. In my meetings I have shared my time with very important professors and researchers who had been very kind because they had gave me a lot of ideas for my research. They had the time to analyze my project and to give me this input for my research, and that has been something very valuable in that sense. And also I had to highlight that we have been talking about future possibilities to do some research together, to continue with our cooperation with, for me, it's something very valuable for the future.